today's video, we grilled one whole chicken, and we need some lime leaves, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and 2 medium of onion, and coriander seeds and peppercorn. Most of our ingredients I just smash it and slice, and I use the coriander seed around 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorn, and I use sugar, this sauce, and ating light sauce and oyster sauce. And now guys, we put all the ingredients over here. And now guys, we mix them well bago natin ilagay yung ating chicken. At ngayon guys, kailangan na ng manok ng masahe. Char lang. We need to marinate this chicken around 4 hours and so. So later on guys, we need a Ziploc bag. At ilagay natin sa ref ng 4 hours. And this is our Ziploc bag. Ilagay natin yung manok dito guys. And we need to zip it up properly later. See you later after 4 hours. 4 hours is up. Kailangan na nating iset yung ating oven ng 180 degrees Celsius. And we need to set up 1 hour and 45 minutes. At ito naman yung ating tray. Nilagyan ko siya ng tubig guys para yung ating chicken ay hindi siya dry habang grilling. At ito na yung ating chicken guys. I-ready natin habang nag-aantay tayo sa ating oven na mag-warm up. Lahat ng ingredients kanina nilagay natin, kailangan lang natin ilagay sa loob ng chicken or inside the tummy. And this is it. It's ready for grilling. If you want a little bit crispy on the skin, we just spread oil. Just nice for our oven is only 1 hour 30 minutes here. After 1 hour, we need to turn to the another side. And see you again after 30 minutes. And this is it guys. Let's get ready for our dinner. O, diba? Ang ganda. Perfect! Char lang. And now, kailangan natin ng isang tray at kailangan natin i-cut yung ating chicken. Ayan guys, I just need to use scissors to cut our chicken. It's quite easy. It's very soft.